Hey, this is Amity calling from Just Answer on the Chevy.
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
You put the key in the ignition, you turn the car on, and then when you go to turn it off, you can't get the key back out. It gets stuck in the ACC position.
I see. And your question to me is what could be causing this? Is that correct?
They can get somebody out to fix it, have a look at it, and find out why is it doing that.
I can definitely help out with that. So first, this actually is a very common problem on this vehicle. And usually my experience has been that the transmission shifter assembly is bad and needs to be replaced. All right. So some tests would need to be done in order to figure out to make sure that there's nothing else causing this problem. But if you want, what I can do, I can go ahead and connect you with a mobile mechanic that can come out and take a look at it. Would that be helpful?
Yes.
All right.
Or do you guys have a shop?
So
I could drive it. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was just saying I could drive it to a location if need be, but otherwise, whatever you want to do.
Well, you can drive it. So I'm going to send over a couple different links in our chat once we're off the phone. The first link is going to be a mobile mechanic. It's called yourmechanic.com. If you want to use a mobile mechanic, you can certainly use that link. The second link is going to be repairpal.com. You can go ahead and click on that link, and it'll recommend you just enter your zip code. It'll recommend repair shops in your area that are RepairPal certified. All right, so you can take a look at them both and whatever works best for you, my friend.
Just 1 minute. Oh, I have a question. Are the prices escalated on the weekend, or are they the same?
That's a good question. I don't know the answer to that. I don't do anything with their pricing, so you'd have to give them a call and find out.
Okay.
All right, you're welcome. Give me a minute. I'll send all this information over for you.
Okay.
All right, take care. Good luck.